This was the first niche fragrance I had ever purchased. Acqua Di Parma Colonia Intensa. Now I bought this many years ago, and not because of its stellar reviews or some great reputation. I bought it pretty much because it was affordable. I was really wanting to get into niche fragrances, and I wasn't ready to spend $200 or $300 on a Creed or a Jomashop or a PDM. Now, just because it's affordable doesn't mean that it's not a really good fragrance. This thing was Perfume by Alberto Morillas, and if you don't know who that is, you need to Google him. He's kind of the king of mass appealing fragrances. Now, it's described as like a woody leather fragrance, and there is a little bit of wood and a little bit of leather kind of at the base a little bit, but to me it's more like a soft citrus aromatic scent. And like a lot of other Alberto Morillas fragrances, this is extremely wearable and overall smells pretty good. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you and tell you that this is a 10 out of 10. It's a must-have, a must-buy, something you gotta get your nose on. It's an above average fragrance, but at the time it was very affordable, and I think it's even cheaper nowadays, like somewhere around maybe $60 or $70. Now, I say all that just to say this. If you're out there and you're new into fragrance and you hear about all these niche fragrances that you really want to try, but they're $200, $300, sometimes even $400, there are a lot of other cheaper options out there. And if you're just starting to dive into the niche, there's no reason to go out and spend that much money right off the bat. Plenty of fragrance houses out there like Acqua Di Parma that make some very nice, very affordable niche fragrances. The retail price on a fragrance like this is still a ways up there, but if you look at discounters, a lot of these scents are super affordable. Before you rush out and you go buy a Creed or you buy a Fougère or some other super expensive fragrance you've heard about on here, look around and know that there's brands like this and others like maybe Mancera and Montal that are definitely niche fragrance houses that are maybe a little bit easier on your wallet and still smell pretty dang good. So let me know, what was your first niche fragrance? Do you still wear it? Is it any good? And make sure you follow for more useless information. Till next time, save money, smell better.